Soundstripe.
We finally got out of prison, you know what I'm saying? We're all locked up. It was crazy, man. I don't know about y'all, I feel like Groundhog Day. Every day you wake up, same day, next day, don't touch that bag or it's gonna kill you. I'm like, what? Bring the bag. God, it was insane. Also the body. Now that's gonna be very careful that you don't hit your body.
Sleep. Now, you know, I'm interactive, so I gotta do this. Look at somebody next to you, smile, and tell them, go to bed. Say that to them real quick. Say, go to bed. It's simple. It's very simple. It's simple. Y'all got iPads, iPhones, television set, a grub sitting right there. You done turn the bedroom into the living room, the dining room, and it's the bedroom. Go to bed. See, that's one of our problems. We don't go to bed. We go to iPad, we go to checking emails. You know what I mean? You got something on
What you do, see what you do could become frustrating. I don't want to do this anymore. How many of you have kids say something like, I don't want to do this? Yeah, we don't say it sometimes. But when it's a system, you don't even think about doing it anymore.